Hey, federal employees, today could be the day. Still pounding F5 for that nationwide RIF injunction will hold up. There might be a twist, right? Trump versus Casa could drop first, and that ruling could turbocharge or torpedo every nationwide order, including the one you're watching for. Please double tap and share this to get this out widely. So why today matters? Well, today is the last regular opinion day of the term, Thursday, June 26, 2025. The court likes to release decisions in 10-minute bursts starting around 10 a.m. Eastern. If they don't clear the docket today, Monday would be the absolute backstop. So eyes on that 10 a.m. drop. That's Eastern time. So what is Trump versus Casa, which could be the twist in the nationwide RIF cases? Well, Trump versus Casa actually began over birthright citizenship. Trump's executive order 14160 claiming that the 14th Amendment doesn't protect every U.S.-born kid. Crazy, right? Well, lower courts froze that order nationwide, but when Uncle Sam raced to the high court, the justices said, hold up, let's decide whether a single district judge can issue nationwide injunctions at all. So why that matters to you, federal employees, and every American? Well, if the Supreme Court of the United States kills or shrinks nationwide injunctions, district courts could still block policies, but only for the named plaintiffs or maybe one region. So the next time a union, advocacy group, or even you sue over a RIF, overtime rules, vaccines, whatever, it might not freeze the policy for everyone. Translation, your nationwide RIF injunction could go poof unless the appeal courts act lightning fast, and presidents who like to push or break the law would be less restrained, right? Because you can't really stop them as easily. So possible outcomes, I think, from this: one, status quo, the courts could keep universal power and nationwide RIF injunctions could still stand. Two, targeted relief only, injunctions limited to plaintiffs. Agencies can push RIF, everywhere else. Third, circuit-wide max, relief limited to that circuit, patchwork chaos around the country. Or four, total reboot. SCOTUS could do what it wants, punt to Congress, unlikely, but weirder things have happened. Right, so what to watch at 10 a.m. Eastern today. Here's my routine. I'm on the live opinion page, and I'm usually looking at SCOTUS blog. If you haven't, heard about that, check it out. Trump versus Casa is docket number 24A884. If that pops up first, brace for a nationwide injunction bombshell before we even see the RIF cases, which may or may not drop today as well. So when the decisions hit, I'll look through the syllabus majority as fast as humanly possible and lawyerly possible, right? And then jump back here with a plain English breakdown for you all, what it means for federal workers, agencies, and the next wave of litigation. If you're interested in hearing kind of more about this, please, follow us, get on our free daily newsletter at fedlegalhelp.com/newsletter, or feel free to join our membership. It's $19 a month. You get a 3 free day trial Saturday, this Saturday at 11 a.m. Eastern. I'm going to break down this and take anybody's questions about any of this stuff. So in the meantime, brace yourselves. If you're thinking the worst thing that could happen today is the RIFs are allowed to continue, you might be mistaken. Hard and difficult. I've been trying to do my best to tell you my best guesses of what would happen, but we might be seeing today in a few hours, Monday by latest. Thank you, everybody, for your support, and hope you have a great day.